come to materials management. After logistic general, we are coming to this materials management. Under this materials management, we have to define the storage locations. What is storage location? Where the goods are going to be stored under the plant premises. In the plant premises, where the goods are going to be stored, is called a storage location. So different. If somebody will ask you, it's possible to make a storage location, a single storage location for multiple plants. It is not possible. For single plant, we can have a multiple storage location. Is it possible? Okay. When you are going to create a storage location, system will ask you to enter the plant. For which plant you are going to create a storage location? You have to enter the plant over here. Go to new entries. Enter the storage location code. For an example, 1000 will be the raw material. 2000 will be the semi-finished product. 3000 will be the scraps. Like this, I am going to create it. Enter and save. For which plant? CG01, 1000, 2000 and 3000 storage location has been created. Go back. And again come to maintain storage location because we have a 2 number of plants. So enter CG02 over here, another plant. Continue. Going to create a new entries. For an example, 4000 is a finished product. 5000 will be a spare parts. Then 6000 will be a like scraps. I have created this three storage location for each plant. Okay. So in this text file, we are going to maintain storage location SLOC. Storage location for plant. Plant is CG01, right? CG01 is 1000, 2000, 3000. Then for plant CG02, 4000, 5000, 6000. This for each plant, 3 numbers of storage location I have created. Okay. So after saving, please go back. Oh my God, sorry. Come again SAP plus IMG. Then enter the structure. Then under this definition, where we are in materials management. In materials management, hold 1 second.
Your logistics, huh?
Yeah, sorry. Come again.
Yeah. Your logistics, are they?
Yeah. Logistic already done, na? We have created a plant and division over here. Then we have under this materials management, we have created a storage location. Right? Under the storage locations, after already created, where we are going to create a purchasing organization. So what is purchasing organization? Normally, purchasing organization is a purchasing department for the company. Right? It may be a centralized purchasing organization. So what is called centralized? Suppose you are having a multiple company codes, multiple business entities, and as per the requirement, they will tell you, the business are telling to you, we have a multiple company code, but we are having only a single purchasing department. Means the single purchasing department is liable to pay, liable to purchase all those different goods and services for all company codes. It's called a centralized purchasing organization. Company code specific purchasing organization means, suppose you have a 10 number of company codes, 10 number of different purchasing organization to specific that company. Okay. So maintain purchasing organization over here. Get inside. Go to new entries. As per the requirement, if they want to for a different company code, different purchasing organization, or for multiple company codes, a single purchasing organization. You can do the configuration as per the required business, as per the business requirement. For an example, CG00, I'm going to create a purchasing organization. Proficient. Purchase department. So copy, purchase. Okay, as in this way you can create it. Press enter, then save. Done. Purchasing organization also created. So what is our purchasing organization? CG. Okay, go back. Just close this.